So we begin with coming together and getting ideas for our next project.
I was thinking of that part.
He's dead, and then keep going on with the next part.
And then we write our storyboard and script about what we want to see in our show and what we want to say.
So, in the first scene, it's gonna be beat just two. It's gonna pan in, and we're gonna see my legs.
It's a wacky dream showing a bunch of terrifying images. Wakes up all of a sudden, looks around, lights on, classroom is empty.
And then we cast the roles between each other and gather props if we need any.
Hi, costume time. There's glasses here. I was thinking about
Just adding some green stuff. Because it needs more color, because it can't just be straight white.
Then we start filming.
I'm gonna yell at you guys again. Quiet on set.
We take turns using the camera and the crew helps with production and make sure our shots are right.
What is the shot actually?
This is the part
we already had the shot sitting down.
We have the director who runs the entire film and makes the final decision.
No, we're doing it. Are we doing it differently?
After that, we go into post-production.
Dude, that's so sick. You don't understand how happy I am right now. And then the zoom out helps too.
There, we gather all the files and put them together.
Yeah, but the coloration is good.
Yeah.
So you might not want to.
Then we check the audio and fix it if it's needed. And we add music and sound effects. And finally, we finish by making adjustments.
How am I? Shut up!
Effects or colors changes and exporting it.
It's not gonna work.
No, it has to be higher.